Personal websites are very essential for every personal coaches. Today we will audit this website and find out the UX decisions here. Hi Melissa, I came across your website through your LinkedIn profile and I spent some time exploring it. I really like the direction you have taken. The messaging is clear, the tone feels authentic, and it's obvious you have invested in building a strong personal brand. While going through the site, I noticed three opportunities that I thought were worth sharing. The first is the hero section. When someone lands on your homepage, they should understand within a few seconds who you help and why they should trust you. Right now, I think the messaging is there, but the visual hierarchy doesn't quite support it. The headline, the typography, and the image could work together more effectively to create a stronger first impression. The second is trust. As I scrolled through the homepage, I realized I had to go quite far before seeing strong credibility signals, even though there is no testimonial here. So, I would consider bringing things like client results, certification, and organization you have worked with much closer to the top, and also put a testimonial in the homepage. The third improvement I think is improving the scannability. Most visitors don't read websites, they skim them. There are few places where the typography, spacing, and content structure make the page little harder to scan than it needs to be. Small adjustment here could make the experience feel much more premium without changing your messaging. Overall, I don't think your website needs a complete redesign. I actually think the foundation is solid. I think it's more about refining how your expertise is presented so that the first impression matches the quality of your work. I hope these observations are helpful. Melissa, thanks for taking a few minutes to watch, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.